Good morning, student, all of you. Today, in this chapter, mechanical properties of solid in exercise, question number 9.9, given textbook, a steel cable with a radius of 1.5 centimeter support the chair left at the skid area. If the maximum stress is not exceeded 10 power 8 Newton per meter square, what is the maximum load of the cable can support is? Dear student, repeat question. A steel cable with a radius of 1.5 centimeter supported a chair lift at a skid area if maximum stress is not exceeded 10 to power 8 Newton per meter square. What is the maximum load the cable can support it? We have question in values. Radius of steel cable R is equal to 1.5 centimeter, change in the meter 0.15 meter in the maximum allowable stress is equal to 10 power 8 Newton per meter square is maximum load is in question marks maximum stress is equal to maximum force upon area cross section is hence maximum force is equal to maximum stress into area of cross section. In this value, maximum stress value 10 to power 8 into area cross section value 0.15 meter square is equal to 10 to power 8 into 0.15 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 7.065 into 10 to power 4 Newton. Hence multiplies in this result. Hence the cable can support the maximum load of the 7.065 into 10 to power 9 Newton. In this question number 10th, a reading bar of the mass 15 kg is supported symmetrically by three wires, each 2.0 meter long. Those at each end are the copper and middle one of iron. Determine the ratio of their diameter if each to have the same tensions. Repeat question. A rigid bar of mass of 15 kg is supported symmetrically by the three wires, each 2.0 meter long. Those at each end are the copper and the middle one is of iron. Determine the ratios of their diameter if each to have the same tension. Given the re- relation for Young modulus is given as y is equal to stress by strain, y is equal to stress is equal to F by A bracket and the strain y is equal to F by A upon strain. इक्वेशन 1 हम वॉइस को यानी स्ट्रेस को जानते हैं कि फोर्स अपन एरिया होता है और स्ट्रेन जो हम वॉइस टू फोर्स अपन एरिया बाई स्ट्रेन इक्वेशन 1 मान लेते हैं. गिवन वाई आयरन वैल्यू ऑफ यंग मॉडुलस 190 into 10 power 9 Pascal and y2 copper values of the Young modulus 120 into 10 power 9 Pascal. Diameter d1 and d2 in question mark iron and copper. formula in this use y is equal to force upon area upon strain is equal to force by 5 d square upon strain. It can be inferred from equation first that y proportional 1 by d square. Therefore, the ratio of diameter there of diameter is given as d1 upon d2 is equal to under root y upon y2 is equal to under root 100 in the value 190 into 10 power 9 by 120 meter into 10 power 9 is equal to under root 19 upon 20 sorry 12 1 ratio 25 ratio 1. Hence ratio of d1 upon d2 is equal to 1 ratio 25 ratio 1 is result.